we will discuss one small trick of Excel which is most beneficial when we have big data or large data, and this is mostly used whenever we are doing with the numerical data, like whenever we do calculation with the numerical data, so that time it is most beneficial. And I'll tell you one scenario. When I had interview in a big company, so he asked me to calculate VLOOKUP value, and in the big and large data, there are so many NA values in this like in numerical value. So that time it was very difficult for me to identify those transactions. Then I found one trick which is most beneficial when we copy the data from Outlook or mail. So we found so many mistakes, and in large data, so there are so many mistakes. But like if some person is doing manually data entry, so sometimes it will happen, and that time we have to identify those transactions. So here, this is the volume, and in this volume we have 175 counts. Here you can easily see 175 counts, and the total, like we can we can do total sum. So it's showing the sum is this. If we use the count formula, so in count it's showing only 173 count, but when we doing counter, it's showing 175 values. So that means numerical value is 173, and whole in this column whole value number of cells is 175. So that means in that column we have two text. So firstly we can identify like this, and second trick is you have to just multiply with 1. When we do this one, so we can find the value or NA here. These, so these two are text, so we have to just identify these things, like here and here. So multiply by 1, it's very useful whenever we are doing big or large data calculation. So sometimes we have to use this one. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Tomorrow we will discuss pivot table. So all features of pivot table we will discuss one by one in series part 1, part 2, part 3. Thank you so much, my dear friend.